Alrighty, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about essential graphics. So if I go up to Window and we go down to Essential Graphics, it pops up over here, and it's basically working off of this right here. We can add formatting, we can add a comment, add a group, okay? Set poster time, solo supported properties, primary, we do animation, color matte 2, comp 1, and then untitled, okay? So that is Essential Graphics, okay? And then, again, this is just a panel, so you can export a motion graphic template. If you make one, you can export it here and then save that there, okay? So that's Essential Graphics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.